Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please click on subscribe button and press bell button to watch my next tutorial. Friends, if you want to know how to open the project in Adobe Photoshop CC, please go through the link given in the description. Friends, in this tutorial, I'll show how to add a text to the photo and how to adjust the color and how to adjust brightness of the photo. Let's start. First, I'll adjust brightness of the photo. For that I have to click for filter option and then click for camera raw filter. Here you can adjust temperature, tint, exposure, contrast, highlight of the photo, and many more options are there. You can adjust that. And here you can also adjust the brightness of the photo. After adjusting brightness of the photo, I'll adjust the color of the photo. For that I have to click here. Here you can adjust color of the photo and also saturation of the color and also luminance of the color. After adjusting, click OK. Okay friends, this is how to adjust the color of the photo. Okay friends, now I'll show how to add a text to the photo. To add a text, click for T tab in the toolbar and then click where you want to add a text. Friends, you can adjust the size of the text here and font style of this text here. Friends, if you want to write vertically, you can click here. Friends, if you want to select the color of the text, then click here. Here you can select color of the text. I'll select blue color. To selecting, click OK. Now I will write the text. If you write it in horizontal, click here. I'll write horizontally. Friends, you can adjust the alignment of the text here. These are the alignment of the text. And if you want to write a text in bend shape, you can click here and select the shape of the text. I'll select in flat. Then you can adjust the bendness and also horizontal distribution and also vertical distribution. After adjusting, click OK. Now click to right. Friends, this is how to write text or add a text to photo. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. I'll be back with my next tutorial.